What is azelaic acid? Azelaic acid is a dicarboxylic acid molecule with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, effective in the treatment of acne vulgaris and papulopustular rosacea, among other cutaneous conditions. What is azelaic acid used for? Azelaic acid is predominantly used as a topical treatment for mild to moderate acne, and may be combined with oral antibiotics or hormonal therapy. It is useful for both comedonal and inflammatory acne vulgaris. What is azelaic acid used for? Azelaic acid is predominantly used as a topical treatment for mild to moderate acne, and may be combined with oral antibiotics or hormonal therapy. It is useful for both comedonal and inflammatory acne vulgaris. Azelaic acid has the following properties: antibacterial, keratolytic and comedolytic, anti-inflammatory. Azelaic acid, a tyrosine inhibitor, also helps reduce pigmentation, therefore is particularly useful for darker-skinned patients whose acne spots leave persistent brown marks, post-inflammatory pigmentation, or who have melasma. Azelaic acid has the following properties: antibacterial, keratolytic and comedolytic, anti-inflammatory. Azelaic acid cream should be applied to the area affected by acne initially daily, then, if tolerated, building up to a generous twice-daily application after thoroughly cleansing the skin. Acne responds slowly to treatment. Some improvement should be seen after 1 month of using azelaic acid cream. Further improvement should occur with maximum results after 6 months continuous use. Treatment may be continued safely for months or years if the acne remains active. Discontinue applying the cream and seek medical advice if you develop severe redness, scaling, itching, burning. How to use azelaic acid? Azelaic acid is a potent ingredient that packs a powerful punch. However, some dermatologists say it's gentler than many chemical exfoliators like BHAs, AHAs, or lactic acid, which means people of all skin types can use it. In general, azelaic acid should be smoothed onto dry skin after cleansing. It can be used twice a day, morning and night, but don't forget that skin needs to build up a tolerance, so start by using it just a few times a week. Be sure to follow with moisturizer, as well as sunscreen with at least SPF 30 if you're going to be outside. Azelaic acid can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. It's also safe to use if you're pregnant. Morning versus night application. Morning. Azelaic acid can be used in the morning, especially if your primary concern is brightening or dealing with hyperpigmentation. Night. Using azelaic acid at night can be effective if you want to target acne or allow your skin to repair without exposure to UV rays. Both. Some people use azelaic acid morning and night. However, it's important to monitor your skin for any signs of irritation or dryness. Subscribe my channel for more videos.